Hello, so the question number 146, the refractive index of a material of a prism is √2 and the angle of prism is 30 degree. One of the two refracting surfaces of the prism is made a mirror inverse by silver coating. A beam of monochromatic light entering the prism from the other face will retrace its path. After reflection from the silvered surface, if its angle of incidence on the prism is 60, 0, 30, 45. So first we will have to find out R1. So as we know that A equals to R1 plus R2. So from we know that A is 30 and R2 is 0. So R1 will come out to be 30, and then using the Snell's law, which is 1 into sine I equals to mu sine R, and from here we will know that sine I is equal to 1 by √2, and hence I will equal to 45. So the correct answer is 45. Thank you.